Hey guys, this is Rachel. This is my 10th exercise in web technology, and today I'm going to be explaining about working with XML and CSS. So I'll start off with explaining what XML is. XML here stands for Extensible Markup Language. So XML was designed to store and transport data. So XML was designed to be both human and machine readable. So XML, when you run, it will be in such a simple form that both the machine and the human like even the non-computer people will be able to understand. It also describes the data. So I'll move on to my program. Here in my code, I've been asked to create hierarchical data model with university as my root code, and member will have first name, last name, telephone number and email id. I have to create a few elements. I have to create a phone directory, kind of like a phone directory. So the code I've done is like this. So you can see this is the XML delimiter. So I have to open the XML here. Sorry. The version of XML should be mentioned here, and here I have given the reference link as 1.css, where I will be where I have done my CSS for this XML file, and university here is the root. So university, as you can see, it starts and ends here. So within my root tag, I have created all the other tags. So the first member tag will contain the detail of the first member. So the first name, these are the subtags like first name, last name, telephone number and email. So it will contain the first name, the last name, the telephone number, email and so on. Similarly, I've created for the 4 different user inputs, and so the CSS for this I've created like this. So sorry, yeah, I've created like this. So for each tag I've given a separate CSS. So the university root tag, I've given it as background color as yellow, and so the entire background color will be changed to yellow. And then here I've created for the member tag, I've given the font size, the font color and everything for each individual tag. So this is how my XML is going to look. So yeah, as you can see, this is the directory I've created, the first name and the last name. Since in the code, since I've in my CSS file, I've mentioned that the member tag is to be displayed blockwise, but here, since I'm not given the display as block, here the first name and the last name will be coming together, and for telephone number and email I've given the display as block display, so that it comes one after the other. So this is what it looks like. So this is my first name, last name, my phone number and my email ID. So all the four data member details which I have entered into the directory have been displayed here. And yeah, so this is it for my XML and creation of a telephone directory using XML and CSS. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.